So, hello and welcome to yet another edition of Tiffin Talks. I have with me uh, Aviral Krishna, Gurmeet
Yes.
Singh, Shweta Tripathi, and Mihir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Aviral is my son's name. My name is Puneet, ma'am.
Okay,
Puneet
I was
Krishna.
wondering why am I reading Aviral there?
Yeah, that's my son's name, and I'm
Sorry,
reading his iPad. So.
my mistake. But first of all of you have to explain to me what each of you. I know what Shweta is doing in this season. There's no need to tell me; she's just fantastic. But I need you to explain what exactly was your role in this season, each of you.
But Puneet Krishna is our creator, and he's also the lead writer.
Right.
And he and me are both the co-directors on the show.
Right. So this is all basically from Puneet's wild imagination.
Absolutely.
Absolutely,
No,
absolutely.
it's,
There
it's,
is
it's
no
everybody's
question, yeah.
combined work, ma'am. Yeah. They are kind people.
And Shweta, I want to ask you, when you were doing season one and you were such a sweet girl who was little naughty sometimes, of course, that famous scene in the library that nobody will ever forget. But did you ever imagine you would get to do all this in season two?
So that was my hope. That was a bet that I placed because if Golu was Golu in season one, and let's say if she was parting ways and she was not a part of season two, things would have been very different for me to choose Mirzapur, because when I read the script for the first time, I fell in love with the world that
Yeah.
he had created. In fact, I messaged when I got the script. I messaged the producer that who's the writer, because I had not read anything like this before. And I read episode one, in which Golu didn't even have an introduction because she comes in the second episode.
Right.
I was very curious. I wanted to know why these characters are doing what they are doing, and what are they going to do. Like, I wanted to find out.
Yeah.
So that was one of the biggest reasons. I just knew that no matter how big, small, whatever part I will be, I wanted to be a part of this world 110%. Then later, when I got to know how the story is progressing, and that two such loved characters, Sweetie and Bablu, will be taken away, will be snatched away from the story, from the audience, and also from Golu, I knew that Golu will be doing something.
Right.
So nobody promised me anything, but I had an idea, but I had no clue this is what it will be. So
Right.
right now, all I can do, like, I'm literally patting myself on the back for this amazing decision. And my husband, this is what he said. He said, I don't know how you choose scripts, but somehow, touchwood, it has instinct, gut, upbringing, I think it's everything put together. I'm really happy, and now that one and two is done, I'm so hungry to find out what Golu does and what happens to the characters, because they literally uh, they become not your friends, but these characters are real. By
Yeah.
friends, where I was going for is that these people are very believable, even though they are from a world which is far, far away from the world we are living in right now. Uh, but you love them, and you love them for their flaws. They are not dry cleaned, they are not perfect, and which is what I really like, that this idea of perfect that has been sold to us as a society.
Right.
There's nobody who's perfect.
Yeah.
So I think, thanks to OTT, we are seeing many shades and many colors of everyone. ऐसा नहीं कि विलेन है तो वही गंदे काम करेगा, नहीं, कोई भी कुछ भी कर सकता है.
Yeah. And I think, Shweta, obviously, your husband doesn't do a bad job in selecting roles as well. He's pretty, I think, he's very good in Gully Boy. But really, whenever I've noticed with you, especially, even Made in Heaven, everything looks so perfect from the outside, and suddenly, poof, there's something that shatters that whole perfection. And really, Mirzapur is like that. From the outside, everything looks perfectly all right, and then in the inside, there's this dark, world, brooding world. But I just want to ask you, how did you get into Golu's headspace in this season? And was it revealed? Was the whole arc revealed to you at one go, or were they very mean and told you bit by bit what's going to happen to your character?
We were very aware of how our characters are progressing, and I
Right.
think that is very important, because if you don't know that, it's very difficult to understand the character. And
Right.
if you're playing the character, especially the kind of acting and how I like to approach my characters, now every character is approached in a different way because every character has a different journey. Not only in Mirzapur, I mean any acting work that I do,
Yeah.
because their journeys, their situations, their environments are different, and these things make a huge difference. Like for example, Mirzapur is still Mirzapur for Golu, but Golu's entire situation has changed.
Right.
Well, she's not in college anymore. She's been thrown into this corner where it is about survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
So what really helps, and which is the case in everything, is the script. If there is so much material, and while growing up and even in interviews, we used to hear this so much, that script से बहुत material मिलता है, meat मिलता है.
Right.
But that is true, because whenever you're confused, the more you read the script, the more you understand your character, it'll happen on its own. But at the same time, what I find really challenging in series is, in the long format, is that you might be season 2 is 9 hours long,
Yeah.
10 episodes.
Yeah.
So there were times where we were shooting what comes in the 9th episode or
Right.
the first week of shoot.
Yeah.
So you don't know, ऐसा नहीं कि day one से character पता होता है.
Right.
It is a discovery. You keep finding out, and I like to work with people who I can trust blindly. Obviously, there will be conversations, there will be discussions, there might be arguments, but it's okay as long as the aim is the same, which is to find out the character who, so that the audience can feel what your character is going through. So I remember even with Golu, I was just not able to understand her. Day one of shoot, I didn't know what to do, because even the costume was so different from Golu season 1.
Exactly.
The hair was cut, the scar was there.
What was your day one shoot as Golu, Shweta?
They were my scenes with Robin when
Okay.
I entered Robin's office for the first time.
Okay.
And I can't tell you how hot that was. मतलब acting आपके दिमाग में आप जितना भी सोच लो, it was so hot कि वो कहते ना कि और brain freeze हो जाता है जो ठंड में.
Right.
I could not think, and I still remember Guru told me, he said कि you're coming to this office for the first time. So just एक वो होता है ना कि आप देखते हो,
हाँ.
very cautious. And that's when I realized that Shweta, come on, ये तो खुद को पता ही होना चाहिए, लेकिन
Right.
कभी कभार वो नहीं चलता है दिमाग. तो also I was shooting with new characters. तो
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि season 1 में चलो गोलू बदल गई है, but you have people, even though गुड्डू के साथ scenes नहीं थे season 1 में, but I missed Guddu. Like I was waiting for Ali to come on set because
Right.
there was this sort of comfort. So my scenes were with Vijay Varma and Priyanshu.
Right.
I had no idea who Golu was. I think they were also trying to figure out who Robin and Shatrughan was. But I think that's when I found out the body language for the first time. Because when I sat on the chair and on that sofa, I just wanted to make Golu bigger.
Right.
Because Golu, I would imagine, would want to prove herself and her authority
Yeah.
to people in front of her. Because वो जो होता है ना, जैसे कई directors दाढ़ी रखते हैं,
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
जिससे कि उनको बच्चे की तरह ट्रीट ना किया, उनको सीरियसली लिया जाए. तो वैसे ही गोलू का वही था कि she wanted to be taken seriously. Because she had no experience how to be and who to be in this world.
वैसे पुनीत को दाढ़ी रखनी चाहिए, because I was about to ask him, how are these characters coming out of such a nice and such a Sushil looking person, you know, and that
Little do you know.
and that
Ma'am,
language.
मैम बहुत
हाँ,
मन तो
ऐसे
हमारी
आगे
एग्री है कि मेरी वाइफ नहीं एग्री करती है, तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाता हूँ.
But ये जो आपने यूनिवर्स क्रिएट किया है ये कैरेक्टर्स का, and गोलू और गुड्डू, now they become so beloved, and of course Tripathi ji, the other Tripathi ji, there's so many Tripathis, the other Tripathi ji who's yeah, amazing, and really I think also Munna's character in this is just superb, you know, he is just outstanding.
Thank you.
So ये कैरेक्टर्स आपके दिमाग से कहाँ निकले हैं और कहाँ से, मतलब आप मिर्जापुर के हैं, यूपी के हैं, व्हाट्स योर बैकग्राउंड?
So मैम मैं यूपी का हूँ, मिर्जापुर का नहीं हूँ, मैं यूपी का हूँ और ईस्ट यूपी में 8-9 वर्ष रहा हूँ ड्यूरिंग माय ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स. तो कुछ वहाँ की कुछ सभ्यताएं देखी हैं, कुछ बात करने का तरीका देखा है, समझा है, और प्रोबेबली थोड़ा सा स्किल है जो लैंग्वेज पिक कर लेने का स्किल है शायद, तो वो यूज हो गया हमारी स्क्रिप्ट पे किसी तरह से, भगवान के फजल से. और बाकी यहाँ की कुछ अलग अलग तरह के अतरंगी कैरेक्टर्स में मिला हूँ, तो शायद किसी की कोई कही गई बात, किसी की कुछ की गई चीज जो दिमाग में रह गई कभी, उस समय तो ऑब्वियसली लेखक बनने का कोई ऐसा प्लान भी नहीं था, पर बाद में जब मिर्जापुर लिखने का मौका मिला या मिर्जापुर लेने का वक्त आया, तो फिर यही हुआ कि हाँ ये कहानी बहुत मजेदार मैं बना सकता हूँ, और कंप्लीटली फिक्शनल है पूरी कहानी, तो सब कुछ हमने पैदा ही किया है अपने जहन से, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ वो एक्सपीरियंसेस जो हमें मिले उस जमाने में जब मैं छोटा था, बड़ा हो रहा था ईस्ट यूपी में, वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी किरदार में आपको छिड़के हुए जरूर मिल जाएंगे। तो ये मेरा बैकग्राउंड है इस शो।
One of my favorite scenes is वो आम का स्टेडियम, और वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर हाथी बना सकते हैं तो आम क्यों नहीं बना सकते।
जी हाँ मैम, ये हमारा अपना तरीका है कहने का कि जो एक आम पब्लिक महसूस करती है हमारी राजनीतिक।
बिल्कुल, और यूपी में तो कुछ ज्यादा ही, I think so. It's also a social commentary on the state.
It is. We have tried to do that in many places.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. So, Gurmeet, tell me what the challenge of shooting with such great actors, you know, and just to get them all coming together, that chemistry. Did you do workshops? Did you do readings? Matlab, how did you get them all together and just perfect sync?
Well, firstly, I'd like to tell you that when we were shooting those scenes, we probably didn't realize it. But when you think back and you remember yourself being on set with the kind of cast that you were, you slightly feel overwhelmed. So we've been very, very fortunate to have, you know, this fantastic talent at our disposal. We definitely sat down and did readings with them, but more individually. Maybe a few people like Guddu Golu, we were able to bring together in a room. Maybe Sharad and Munna, we were able to bring together in a room. But
Robin and Dippy.
Robin and Dippy. But as collective, as a cast, we unfortunately...
And Robin and Shatrughan, obviously, you don't need to get them in the room.
Yeah, they were the only ones whose time management was not a problem. They always came together. Bharat and Shatrughan. So because again the cast is so big, we have more than almost 30 to 35 lead actors.
Right.
It was almost logistically never possible to be able to get their dates, and they're such busy people, especially in this OTT world these days, to bring them in prep. So, but we trusted their individual capacities to at least be able to translate whatever we've been able to speak to them or communicate with them. And because it's a long format and you shoot over multiple days, while we're on set, I think within the first couple of days you find a rhythm with each actor.
Right.
And since Mihir and me are also directing them separately at many times, it was important for us to be on the same page. Our common glue was Puneet everywhere, of course. So he's the one who knows the land, he knows the language. And so that is a common sort of barometer that we used for anything going forward. And good, I think our equations with all the actors were fantastic, and that really helped bring them all together. And we really didn't need to challenge them, because each actor in front of them was probably as good or better than them. So they could keep challenging each other and raising the bar every day when you're there on shoot.
Right, right. Mihir, how was it for you in terms of the logistics? Were you all staying together? Did you sort of become in a way like a family? Did you shoot at one long stretch? How did you do that?
So the family answer is the easiest to give right now, because from season 1 we've been family, and that relationship has continued towards season 2 as well. It's with Puneet, Guru, Shweta, everyone. It's just a wonderful team to sort of come back with. As for the logistics, it's basic filming logistics. So there's weather that can be an issue. We did shoot at a stretch, 76 days, Guru? 76, 75?
76 days we shot, yes.
Yeah, 76 days at a stretch. And with all the action, with all the drama, it's it's hectic shoot throughout. And I must add to what everyone has been saying, that we tend to kind of forget the importance of how beautiful our actors are, because they come with so much homework and they come with so much prep that they really make our life super easy on set, because there's chaos on set otherwise. There's a lot of things going on, but they come there and they just know their characters better than us sometimes. And the best part about Shweta is I finally get to answer this, because thank you, you're here, you're asking good questions. The best part about Shweta is that she's so welcoming. Her answer, everything for her is positive, right? Even, I mean, you can see her right now, her vibe is positive.
Yeah.
So her takiya kalam is always, acha theek hai, okay. So when you say something, she's always going to say, acha theek hai, okay. And she doesn't challenge you with like a negative thing, but she'll always be like, okay, let's try this the way you want it, and let's work on it together. And it's beautiful, because there are times when we, at least with me, I end up shooting a lot of, you know, just mood shots and non-scripted bits. And if she's free, there's a camera free, and we're like, chalo, let's go and like film something. Why don't you shoot that? You know, it's just like doing interesting things and figuring out the character with her. So it's a lot of fun. Yeah.
Right. So how is it? Do you call cut, or do you just let the camera roll?
I'm the kind who lets it roll till because I'm not from the film age. I'm from the digital age, so I don't have the value of film. But yeah, at least it gives a lot for the editor to cut when they want to.
Right, right. So Shweta, what was it like, especially to work with Guddu Bhaiya again? It's a very different Guddu Bhaiya. I mean, he has the same physicality, but he's obviously you know, a much changed man, shattered, and yet, you know, trying to rebuild his strength. Especially the first couple of seasons, couple of episodes where he hates being dependent on you. You know, you can see it on his face. So how is it dealing with a changed Guddu Bhaiya?
It was very interesting, because both Guddu and Guru, we were both trying to find out who we are now.
Right.
Because life is not what we thought it would be. So also the situations, it was not comfortable. In fact, हमें वही लगता था कि जो त्रिपाठीज हैं, उनका actually जो shoot होता था वो एक set, there was a set, so it was air conditioned. They had to dub less. While we were the, you know, we were the तो हम hideout में वहाँ बाल बिखरे हुए हैं, ये सब कर रहे हैं. It was a bond. Also, what really helped was that I was a fan of Guddu after watching season 1.
Right.
And when I saw his performance, I was like, what? Because I knew Ali. I've known Ali for 10 years now, and I've been watching him on stage, on screen. But what he's done with Guddu, which is why it's very important to work with people who will not only motivate you, inspire you, but will get the best out of you.
Yeah.
And that is what happens in Mirzapur, which is why there's so much love and respect for every single person. In fact, even when we used to be doing our scenes, crew को generally इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा होता है shoot से. वो अपना काम वाम कर रहे होते हैं because it's their job. But in Mirzapur, while we were performing the scenes, they were equally invested, and that is what makes it so special. उनको भी जाना था. जब हम climax shoot कर रहे थे टीले पे, everybody's emotions were in sync.
Yeah.
So even from the spot boy, मतलब ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती हैं कि कौन आपके पास आता है, कौन क्या बातें कर रहा है. But that day there was just this entire environment. The mood of set was different. Yeah. Even I'm sure when like Beena का scene होता था, या फिर I remember season 1 में बबलू का एक scene था, I think father का चाय वाला scene था. So there was pin drop silence on set. So for us actors, it really helps when everybody's energies are in sync with yours or your characters.
Right.
Guddu, and that's the other thing, that in season 2 I had a lot of scenes with Guddu.
Yeah.
So I knew what he was doing. It was not as a surprise for me. But even in that, I'm still surprised. वो जो trailer में भी जो shot है, अली का जो खून लगा हुआ है, इनकी मजा बहुत आया. And I'm like, ये कहाँ कैसे किया इसने? मैं तो थी इसके सामने. I did not see this. But on screen, and again, that's the way it's been shot, the music, the way it's been edited, हमारी performances वो elevate हो जाती.
बिल्कुल.
So not only, and पंकज त्रिपाठी के साथ तो I've been wanting to work since forever. And वो मसान में भी ये हुआ that we were in the same project, but we didn't have scenes together.
Right.
Season 1 that happened, and season 2 तो खैर. So
yeah, we can't give too much away. But you know that Tila scene especially, we can't go into what happens there. But वो आपने shoot कहाँ किया? It looks like, I mean, out of the world. It looks like typical Daku type, you know, जो आपके locations भी हैं, कितनी सही है. तो आपके, I don't know, location scouts को पता नहीं, they must be fantastic. All in that area, was it किस area में है आपने shooting का?
Actually मिर्जापुर के जिले में ही आता है वो जो टीला है. So it is I think almost an hour and a half away from Banaras, if I'm not mistaken. And it's in the Mirzapur district. And again, a lot of this credit needs to go to Abbas Khan, who's our producer, and who's actually, I think this probably was his 7th or 8th project in and around Banaras. For some reason, he's always shooting there from time immemorial. So he's like an encyclopedia of what you can shoot in UP.
Even
And-
Shweta must have become now. She's done so many movies.
Yes.
In fact, I'm starting 2 new projects and both are in Banaras. So,
बनारस में एक घर बनवा लो.
I think you should you should now take up a home there. But
Yeah.
Shweta, it's very interesting. Your typical IS kid grew up all over the country and went to DPS Akipuram, which is literally in my backyard, and then went to NIF. So, and you seem to have done everything that anyone can do in Bombay, from theatre to being an assistant. Is this your best period? Is this the best thing that you wanted to do? The actual thing that you wanted to do?
You know, when people ask about struggles and hardships,
Huh.
I don't think struggles will ever end.
Right.
And I would choose a Masan, Haramkhor, Mirzapur over and over again because now with age and experience, I'm also trying to understand that why is commercial cinema such a big deal? It's never been a big deal for me.
Yeah.
If it's a good story, I will do it. But I'm not going to run behind commercial just because, I don't know, it's supposed to be that. I enjoy doing this. अब चाहे वो indie की अपनी वो problems होती हैं, but I really enjoy it. The joy that I get out of the work that I don't want to compromise on that.
Right.
So, and in fact, it's even more challenging because when you're doing a show like Mirzapur, where there are so many characters, and the fun of it is when you see their performance, you want to up your game.
Right.
It's not envy, it's not jealousy at all. And this I can say for all the characters. We want to, like in season 1, जैसे सब गुड्डू का हुआ था, in अभी मुन्ना and even the new characters who've come in, विजय वर्मा को देख के मुझे लगता है that I want to play a character जिसका twin हो. Because
Exactly.
these are the different challenges you can have. And when you are working with such not only talented but amazing human beings like these 3 people sitting over here with us right now, you just यही तो करना है यार. मतलब बाकी सब कुछ हो जाएगा, गाड़ी घर बंगला वो होता रहेगा. But I think we all are very blessed that we are doing something for a living that we love doing. इससे ज़्यादा बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है?
And I want to ask you, Puneet, because ultimately it's the writer who's creating these characters, and this year especially we've seen such amazing breakout stars. Isme, I can tell you, Anjum Sharma is just outstanding. I think because we've seen Shweta and we've seen Ali, but I think Anjum, and we've seen Vijay also in a lot, but we've not seen so much of Anjum. He's just fantastic. But as a writer, जो आपकी responsibility होती है to create these characters, and when they finally become stars, how do you feel?
I can't tell you, ma'am. I think it's beyond. I mean, I can't explain it in words, to be very, very honest.
Yeah.
Because they feel that it was something which was written on paper that made the character so big, and we feel that it became big because he performed it so well. So it's a very mutual give and take relationship that we have with all of them. And specifically, if you're talking about Anjum Bhai, so Anjum Bhai had a very small role in season 1, if you remember. And that was Guru Bhai's choice to cast him in that role.
Right.
And the way he performed in that first scene, when Rati Shankar kills this other guy, Kaka Gaga nahi bol pata hai wo. It was a very small scene, but it did something in that scene which gave us a lot of confidence that, okay, this man will take this role to another level.
Yeah.
And we were hoping for that. And the character was written in a certain way, which had to, show some kind of a power against someone as dark as Munna in a very smart and calculative way.
Right.
And he performed it, superbly. So it's such a wonderful feeling to have, man.
Gurmeet, I wanted to ask you about Munna because
sorry to interrupt.
Just the last question.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry.
Last question.
Hanji.
Sure.
Yeah, sorry.
Gurmeet and Meher, I just want to end with asking about Munna because he's really also the other big star of this season. More than season 1, I think he really comes into his own. His stupidity, his sliminess, everything about him. So how was it dealing with him this season?
I think Munna has been one of the most beloved characters for us from season 1, right from paper. And if you see season 1 also, it's bookended with Munna only. It starts with him and it ends with him. Because I think he's the one that also has the most author-backed role.
Yeah.
So he has been the spine of the show, more or less. And but it was a very, very dark character in season 1, and took all credit to Divendu to bring such endearment, to make such a lovable character out of someone who's so dark and who does such devious
Yeah.
things.
Who's so despicable?
Yes, he's despicable, but every time there is a possibility, he makes you feel for him.
Yeah.
And that is a great thing about the characters in the show, and especially about Munna. And he has all the punchline, and he has all the swag, and he has all the great moments, but it is the emotional connect that he brings to this character that makes him, iconic. And again, in season 2, he was able to, and thanks to the script, there were so many more avenues for his character to go, and so many people that he could deal with and interact with, and we saw a more human side of Munna. So it's fantastic, and Divendu is really truly blessed, and I wish there are more breakout roles for him in the future, because he deserves it.
Okay, so the last question to you, Mihir, is about the women in Mirzapur, and how is it dealing with these really strong-headed and powerful women? Just that sisterhood must have been something to deal with. I hope you felt outnumbered.
I mean, it was a great experience. We didn't have to deal with them because they are not trouble, So it was just a great experience working with them, and the characters are beautifully written. They understand that there is a side to the character that needs some sort of that flourishes in a way which we probably haven't seen before in shows, And the thing with Puneet is, again, going back to even Munna's question, the thing with Puneet is, he writes every character with respect.
Yeah.
So even if it's Munna, for example, in Munna's world, he gives Munna that respect. So there's no bias between characters. Same with the women. He's not trying to create sympathies for Beena. Golu has come from a side where her own ideologies has completely changed, and she has to make a choice, like, almost thinking on her foot kind of thing.
Yeah.
So the strength of the female character comes from, mental spaces, sexuality, even just how they sort of converse. It's just very well written, and there's a range of these women over here. So it's just a pleasure to put it on screen.
Right. And a pleasure to watch. Thank you so much, all of
Thank
you.
you so much,
And
Kaveri, ma'am.
particularly to Shweta for bringing to life, all the work that you put in. Thank you so much, and more power
Thank
to
you.
all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
Waiting
so
for
much.
Season
Thank
3.
Yes.
So are we.
So,
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.